let's start. Target phrases كنرينا كتاجا من تكملن phrases مجمرة بيننا. First one yeah. I'm calling to check on dash.
I'm calling to check on
dash. dash يجيب زغنا ملعت خليها بزعبا منتهي check قبل دول له let's say Wi-Fi بتكون خليها. I'm calling to check on the Wi-Fi. Okay. Wi-Fi check قبل دول له. ويكا بزعبها. I'm calling to check on you. بزعبها check قبل دول له. وين timetable تخوينها. I'm calling to check on the timetable. Okay?
timetable, yeah.
So let's say you called me and I asked you, why do you call?
I'm checking to call on the Wi-Fi.
Okay, very good. استنى ماذا check قبل لقيت ولا لا. Just the structure.
I'm calling to check on my mother.
Very good. Check on my mother. Very good. Class.
I am calling to check on the class timetable.
Very nice. Very good. That's it. Very good. Let's say ناب OPM دوين كلها نبل. بزعبة full status check قبل لقيت الوقت لها.
I am calling to check on my full status.
Very good. My full status. Very good. Nice. That's it. كم دقيقة ما نزارب معك ندول كلنا بزعبة خمسة check قبل سلزلة خيدول لله معك. على phrase. Could you hear me clearly?
Could you hear me clearly?
Say again. Could you hear me clearly?
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 Very good. بنتصور كسمعنا تفعل فيها. سمعنا لهذا بنتصور مالتي. So مش حنسحب دمتي مونغوي بتاتخنا. I can't hear you بلكا شو أنت تلني. بوتا غير كاوين قد غير كاش أنت تلني.
Let's try now.
Could you hear me clearly?
Okay. Could you hear me clearly?
Hear.
Could you hear me clearly?
Very good. Could you hear me clearly? إجا هتفضل سمعنا لهذا. double check بركلها معنا. Nice. So polite يا polite من قدي سمعنا لهذا. دمساي بنوصل سمع له مالتي. Okay. إجا أنا سكرين يريك اللهمش share يري الله ناتي سكرين. That's why هاتري الله. Share يري الله ناتي سكرين هاتري الله.
Yeah.
Okay. So ناتي سكرين share كجبره بتكلها أنت تقول.
Let me show my screen.
Let me share.
Okay.
Even you can share your screen on WhatsApp.
Yeah.
WhatsApp share together now. Good. Okay. Next one is sorry, you go ahead.
Sorry, you go ahead.
Sorry, you go ahead.
Sorry, you go ahead.
Very good. أمونغو مشكلتي خواحن سبتزارب شو مسلم معتسن. هذه خواهم اللي سألوه. Sorry, you go ahead. سارة انت هاتل. أنا نحتني انت هاتل معك. Okay. Still one more time بدأ.
Sorry, you go ahead.
Very good. Then common phrases in مالتي. أبزي عارف نفتن لنا vocabulary مرينا number 1. Screen. زغانا نقدر display زغانا له. Mobile, tablet, laptop, TV. نوري له تبع. Screen. Very good. كلاي. Signal. Very good. Signal كامل لكت مالتي. Wi-Fi يالله نيلا ما هاي يتهلد. You check the signal.
Yeah.
If it is low, there is no Wi-Fi. If it is full, there is Wi-Fi. If it is not connected, there is no signal. If it is connected, there is signal. Even for line, right?
Line.
ولا line. مسمار تزيلي تريمش cannot call someone.
Yeah.
If there is a signal, you can call someone. Right?
Yeah.
Very good. Even when you charge your phone, do you see the signal for charging
Charger. Yeah.
on your battery like
Yeah.
this? Yeah, that is signal. Signal حجم ملكت مالتي. Next one, volume.
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 Volume is ድምፂ.
Yeah.
Okay? ድምፂ ምቕናስ ምጉዳል ንቕንስ ንጉድል ኢልና ምሽ ድምፂ ክንሪኦ ከለና ቪድዮ ይንገለ
Yeah. Yeah.
volume. I am calling.
I am calling.
I am calling.
Not the line, sure.
Special Nigerian sentence. I am calling to check
I am calling to check
on
I am calling to check on the transport.
transport. Okay, very good. I am calling to check on the timetable. I am calling to check on you.
I am calling to check work.
On
work.
on work. Very good. So تعلامات نقر سلام سبالك شو تعلامات نقر شو دمتي سمعك أنا يسمعك أنا الله أمريكا تراقد.
Are you
Are you
at check?
Are you not check? Here.
Are you here?
Hmm?
Are you here?
Okay, let's see how ones. Could you hear me?
Could you hear me?
Could you hear me?
Could you hear me?
يا سمعنا الله هذا تلك خط زارك كنت مسمعك أنا يسمعك أنا بتشك تقدرش. Could you hear me?
Could you hear me?
سمعنا الله هذا بدحرينا تزمتك كمزن كمزني كاتزارب معلش. So next today, how can I help you?
Would you please check
What is your goal? Why are you calling?
could you please check a class?
You forget that. I am calling
For
to check on
I am calling to check for
to check on
I am calling to check on class.
class. Okay. Yeah, class is tomorrow at 3 p.m. Now check if I am hearing you.
Okay.
What do you say? Ask me.
Are you
Not Ari. It's not Ari.
could you hear me?
Could you hear me? Very good. Yes, I can hear you. Go on.
Okay.
What do you want to say about the class?
What date I can start?
You can start on Monday.
We have a new class.
Yes, new class is going to start on Monday.
I coming. I will come
I will come on.
tomorrow.
You say tomorrow, you don't need
Uh.
off. I will come tomorrow.
I will come tomorrow
Yeah.
at 12.
Very good. Okay, please call me when you come.
Okay, call me. I arrive.
I will
Arrive and call.
I will call when I
I will
arrive
call.
and say have a good day, have a good one, have a good night.
Have a good night. Have a good
Sorry. Yes?
and say have a good night.
Yeah, have a good night. Okay, good. So look زي نسمع لنا اللي لنا حتى تكلنا. Anyway, this one.
Could you hear me check clearly?
Very good. Could you hear me clearly?
Could you hear me clearly?
Very good. Screen natka ترقية تدلع. Title. Let
me show my screen.
Let me
Share my screen.
Very good. Let me share my screen. دحزربها تدراري بوها دحنسها أتل اللي عندك له.
Shall you go ahead?
Again, say it again.
Sorry, you go ahead. Sorry, you go ahead.
Sorry,
You go ahead.
you go ahead.
Okay.
دحزربها السوزارب صادرب الحرب تلاقي. Sorry, you go ahead.
Sorry, you go ahead.
Very
Good.
It's not good. يعني لما أنت مهارنا يا عمر. Okay, still دايح كداي. جن كذا لما أنت مهارنا يكون أصلا.
Could I share my screen?
Okay, it's good. Or let me share my screen.
Let me share
My screen. My screen.
Okay.
Screen.
Let me show my screen.
Share.
Let me share my screen.
Nice. Good. Good. And why are you calling? Why? Why are you calling? ስለምንታይ ደው ኢልካ reason goal ናትካ ክትነግረና ኣለካ?
I want class.
Okay, this is good. It's good. It is short from today's class. I am
calling for check class.
I am calling to check on
class.
to check on class. Very good. I am calling check on class. Very good. If I can't hear you, I can't hear you.
I can't hear you.
I said I can't hear you. Then what do you say? Then change position. I can't hear you. Or change place.
Okay. I can't
So
hear.
how do you check if I can hear you? What do you say?
Okay. Let me change my place.
Let me change my place. Then how do you confirm? How do you confirm if I can hear you? Confirm is to make sure I can hear you. What do you say?
Okay. I am loud.
Okay. You can loud, you can change position, but how do you know if I can hear you? سامحك هتقليني اللهم كم يركع تراجع.
That means the meeting.
Yes.
Go ahead.
Go ahead. Sorry, you go ahead.
Sorry, you go ahead.
Very good. Sorry, you go ahead. Very nice. So that's it. This is what we use when we are calling someone online, or if it is a digital meeting. Communicating. If you are talking and you don't get response from the other person, you have to check. Could you hear me clearly? Are you mute? Check your Wi-Fi connection. Check your Wi-Fi signal. Okay? Very good. So this is our class for today. Do you have any questions from today's class?
Could you hear me? Could you share your screen?
Could I share?
Could I share my screen?
My screen.
Yeah. Share Gabriel kada dulu after second. Can you share? Sorry, could you share your screen? After screen can share Gabriel na.
Oh, so hi. Could you share my? نصها share بس Gabriel live لك الله معك.
أنا أصلا ما أتابع على سبيل
نصها share جوار screen كاتلو طلع. Could you share your screen?
Could you share
Your screen. Yeah. على هالساعات هون كاغن. Let me share my screen. Let me
share my screen.
Yeah.
Screenation together.
Say it again.
Let me share my screen.
Not screen. Screen. Screen like this one. Okay, that's it. So you should keep practicing. These are simple and repetitive. Every day نتعلم them. Okay. Can you check the signal? to check the signal for Wi-Fi connection.
Okay. Yeah, full signal.
There is signal.
Yeah.
There is. If it is X, there is no signal. Okay? There is signal if it is full. If it is not there, there is no signal.
There is yeah, full signal. There is no
signal.
There is no signal.
Yeah. Okay, so this is our class for today, lesson number 23. And see you next class.